Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how we can easily set up our Google Ads conversion tracking for our Shopify website. I will talk about two methods, so you can follow any of those, you can go for it. But I would recommend we should go with Google Tag Manager if you have high amount of visitor instead of with app. But let's do it first with Google and YouTube app. So go to your sales channel. And if you don't have the Google and YouTube, just install it. It's free. Then click on it. The interface will be like this. So we will connect our Google account with our Shopify app. So it's connected. So unfortunately, I can't go further because it's a demo website where I don't have the valid payment method. So when you have valid payment method, your interface that will be you can connect your merchant center. Then just verify your merchant center if you want to. Then if you scroll down, you can see an option called conversion tracking. Then you have to just turn on. Then the next page, the pop-up will be you have to just select your Google Ads account. That's it and complete the setup. After tick mark this, I have read and agree to the terms. Okay. Now let's move on to the next thing, which is I would recommend the Google Tag Manager. First, we have to create our Google Tag Manager. I already created with name is test.com, as you can see. Then when you create your tag manager account, so if environment will be like this, just copy this head code first. So we have to connect our website with Google Tag Manager. After coming up here, click on this three dot, edit code. Make sure you select your current theme, edit code. Then go to theme.liquid. Don't go anywhere. Theme.liquid. Then paste the head code and save it. You can also install the body code, but it's not mandatory. So I don't go for this. Then we have to enable the data layer. So let's think what is data layer. Now if I go to my online store, if I select any of product use and let's check with our Google Tag Manager. So let's preview it. Let's go to the preview section, copy the website URL, and then end of this, paste our URL, then click the continue. Let's click any of product. So now if I go tag assistant, there is no event is fairing and there is nothing with data layer. So when we have to enable that, we have able to see the product name, the value, the USD, the product ID. All the information is available for this product. So let's enable the data layer. We have to go to theme code again, edit code. We have to create a snippet. I will name it called data layer. So I made a data layer code with my developer. So you can see it's called, I name it ultimate data layer. I will copy this code and paste it here. Done. Save it. So then I go to again theme.liquid. I have to connect this data layer to our theme.liquid. So I will have to write a code. I would prefer this code in the head section, in the this before the head closing time. So right now then render, you can see already pop up here. I click here, and then I have to name it as I name here. So then I have to save it. If you click up here, you can see it's showing it takes me to this here. So it's mean it's working. And then you have to just save it. So then you have to go to the setting option. Then you have to go check out. We have to also mainly we have to know the conversion of everything. So now we have to paste another code in our checkout page. So for data layer, So we have to go to setting, then here the checkout, and here you can see I already make a code for checkout. I have to copy code and then setting, go to the setting option, checkout I already here, and I will paste here. And because in the beginning of the code already a Google Tag Manager code, so I have to go Tag Manager. I will just copy this ID, copy, then paste it here, save. Okay. Now if I go to my Google Tag Manager, let's remove this. Okay. From here, so let's refresh the page. Sometimes happening. What? So okay, wait. Let's preview again. Test. Here, tag assistant. Continue. As you can see, sometimes it's happening. Don't worry for that. As you can see, the data layer. You can see USD items information, electric coffee, rental. Let's see. Yes, electric. So now let's do a purchase so we can know what is happening after the purchase, and then we can create our data layer variable, and then we'll set up a Google Form. Let's do a test purchase. Checkout and my test. That's my name, Ahmed Ehsanur, an address. Let's make it anything. Okay. So here we'll use a test 111. Let's to pen up. So I purchased two products. So let's wait for the thank you pop up. So here it is. Total value is $79.84. Shipping is free, subtotal, and two product. Now if I go to text again, we can see a event name part called purchase. Now you can see all my information, which is we will use for our enhanced conversion tracking. And one thing you might see, phone number is no, there is nothing because we don't give the phone number information, but it's mandatory for enhanced conversion tracking. And as you can see, the transaction ID, value, and everything, I will purchase two items. So let's create a tag. There first we'll go to tag. Before tag, I think I will prefer we should make create our all the variable which is necessary for us. So data layer, because we are using data layer, so using data layer. Then what is the value? E-commerce. Value is under the e-commerce, so we'll create the e-commerce. Then paste it here. Then there will be a dot. Then we'll select our value. So it will be LP value. Save it. Then again we'll have need to some transaction ID. I will copy. Again tag assistant. The transaction ID is this. So paste, save it. DLV value, save. Oh, sorry, it's transaction ID. Transaction ID. This two is okay for our uh, conversion tracking, but let's do the thing because we have the data layer. So let's do it quickly. Like we will track the number, name, phone number, email, all of this. So let's make it. So before that, you have to also track this currency. So I will take quick time. It'll take some time. So now we will create those. So I think it will be a worrying time for you. So I will do it quickly so you don't have to waste your time. So as you can see, we create all of our variable like city, country, address. I'm spelling these. So let's fix it. And here y address, currency, email, last name. Okay, I missed the phone number. Let's also get the phone number. Just copy. When you do, make sure you're doing from the tech assistant because I have the experience there. So I just want to know. I know how to easily communicate it. So now we have to create a trigger. So trigger will be will use a custom event because if you go tech assistant, that we will select the purchase event. So here you can see event name is purchase. So we'll copy this and paste it and we'll name it purchase. Okay. Now we have to go to tag option, tag configuration, Google Ads, then ads conversion. Now we have to go to our Google Ads account, ads dot Google. Let's go to any one of those. We'll go to goals option. If your interface like can be different, you can towards a new design or but if you have different, there is an option will be tools then the conversion. As you can see, purchase there's create a new, we'll purchase, we'll paste our website URL here, copy. Um, can uh, we'll cancel this. So from here we'll create our, you can see create conversion using manual code. We'll create our conversion purchase. You can see purchase main because we have already a name with purchase. So purchase name from the value section. Every time when you are using for the e-commerce business, make sure every time you use this, use different value. And when the Google Ads account don't find value, any if you don't find any kind of value, what he should um, say as a conversion value. So you can name is one. I every time I use one, count every, and you can see click through conversion Windows 30 window, and I will prefer attribution in data window, data driven and enhanced conversion. Okay, done. Then we'll save and continue. Then we'll use Google Tag Manager. You copy the conversion ID. Yeah, Google Tag Manager has our conversion ID. And again, what is conversion level? Copy conversion level and now value. You can select from here to choosing the value, or you can easily select like this double bracket and transaction have the transaction ID same as currency code. Currency code. And for enhanced conversion trick, you have to just include user provided data from your website. Tick mark this. Then we have to create a user provided data variable. Select new variable. Then we will use our email here. Email, phone number, and first name, first last name, street, city, province, country, and zip code. Save it. So I name it same as so it is useful for me. Trigger, purchase, save, and you can name it purchase so you can understand. Now don't submit now. Before submit, we have to create another tag which is for called conversion linker. Without this, Google Ads conversion not working properly. So make sure you also create tag for conversion link and then submit. If I now go to here, what's conversion done? As you can see, it's called inactive. That means it's not working right now. And this one is working, it's called no recent conversion. So now let's test it.
Now we will test with our Google Tag Manager. Let's do it. View a product, add to cart, then go to the checkout page. Let's fill all the information. Let's proceed. So here is our purchase done. So let's check it out, is working or not. Click continue. Here is our conversion firing. Click on the purchase. If I click on our tag, if there is name option, click on the value. Let's check. Here is our transaction ID. Here is our email. Here is our all information like country, postal code. Let's click on the show more. Here is our value. Yes, it's working properly. Now if we go to our Google Ads conversion, it was inactive before. Now as you can see, it's no recent conversion. So if you don't see no recent conversion, click the refresh page. And that's it for today video. If you like the video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and don't forget to share the video.